Printers for labels and barcodes, retail review. Title: Printers for labels and barcodes, retail review. Introduction. In today's fast-paced retail environment, efficient and accurate labeling is crucial for managing inventory and streamlining operations. Whether it's labeling products, price tags, or barcodes, have a reliable printer that meets your specific needs is essential. In this article, we will explore the top printers for labels and barcodes, providing a comprehensive review of their features, performance, and suitability for retail businesses. 1. Zebra ZD420. The Zebra ZD420 is a high-quality printer that offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for label and barcode printing. Its compact design allows for easy integration into any retail space without compromising performance. With printing speeds of up to 6 inches per second and a resolution of 203p, the ZD420 ensures crisp and clear label prints. Furthermore, its flexible connectivity Optio NS, including USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth, provide seamless integration into existing systems. 2. Epson TM-L90 Plus. Designed with retail applications in mind, the Epson TM-L90 Plus offers excellent versatility and reliability for label and barcode printing. With speeds of up to 5.9 inches per second and a resolution of 203p, it delivers fast and accurate printing results. The TM-L90 Plus supports various media types and sizes, making it suitable for labeling shelves, receipts, and more. Additionally, its compatibility with multiple interfaces, such as USB, Ethernet, and serial, ensures easy integration into existing retail systems. 3. Honeywell PC42T. The Honeywell PC42T is a cost-effective and compact printer that caters to the labeling needs of small to medium-sized retail businesses. With a printing speed of up to 4 inches per second and a resolution of 203p, it offers reliable and high-quality label prints. The PC42T supports a wide range of media types and sizes, including thermal transfer and direct thermal labels, providing flexibility for various retail applications. Its user-friendly interface and easy installation make it an ideal choice for businesses seeking hassle-free labeling solutions. 4. Brother QL800. For smaller retail operations, the Brother QL800 is a reliable and affordable option for label and barcode printing. With speeds of up to 93 labels per minute and a resolution of 300p, it ensures quick and accurate printing. The QL800 supports various label sizes, providing flexibility for different labeling purposes in a retail setting. Its USB connectivity allows for easy integration with computer systems, making it suitable for businesses operating on a limited scale. 5. TSC TTP244 Pro. The TSC TTP244 Pro is a durable and versatile printer that combines affordability with exceptional performance. With printing speeds of up to 4 inches per second and a resolution of 203p, it delivers very reliable and high-quality label prints. The TTP244 Pro supports a wide range of media types and sizes, including high-volume printing, making it suitable for retail businesses with diverse labeling needs. Its user-friendly design, compatibility with various interfaces, and ability to handle large label rolls ensure seamless integration and efficiency. 6. Sato CL4 NX Plus. The SATO CL4NX Plus is a robust and versatile printer designed to meet the demanding labeling requirements of the retail industry. With a printing speed of up to 10 inches per second and a resolution of 203 or 305p, it enables fast and accurate label printing. The CL4NX Plus supports a wide range of media types, including fanfold and roll-fed labels, offering flexibility for various retail applications. Its durable construction and reliable performance make it suitable for high-volume printing tasks, ensuring uninterrupted operation in busy retail environments. 7. Citizen CL-S521. The Citizen CL-S521 is a compact and efficient printer that delivers reliable label printing for retail businesses. With a printing speed of up to 4 inches per second and a resolution of 203p, it provides clear and professional-looking labels. The CL-S521 is compatible with a variety of media types and sizes, including fanfold and roll-fed labels, making it adaptable to different labeling needs. Its user-friendly design, simple operation, and easy maintenance make it an ideal option for small to medium-sized retail operations. 8. Godex EZ2250i. The Godex EZ2250i is a cost-effective printer that combines affordability with excellent performance for label and barcode printing in retail settings. With a printing speed of up to 7 inches per second, OND and a resolution of 203 or 300p, it ensures efficient and accurate label prints. The EZ2250i supports various media types, including thermal transfer and direct thermal labels, providing flexibility for different labeling purposes. Its user-friendly LCD interface, easy media loading, and reliable operation make it a reliable choice for retail businesses looking for a budget-friendly print. Ink solution. 9. TSC MX240p. The TSC MX240p is a rugged and powerful printer designed for high-volume label and barcode printing in retail environments. With a printing speed of up to 14 inches per second and a resolution of 203, 300, or 600p, it delivers fast and precise label prints. The MX240p supports a wide range of media types and sizes, including linerless labels and wristbands, making it suitable for diverse labeling applications. Its durable construction, advanced connectivity options, and intuitive operation make